Hey guys, welcome to Exult Tech. So in this video, we're gonna conduct a battle between—
Stop it, man. You can never replace humans. Get out of here. Oh no. So in this video, we are gonna conduct a battle between the Google Assistant and the Samsung Bixby. Actually, I plan to make this voice assistant battle video with nearly 3 to 4 assistants, including the Apple Siri and the Amazon Alexa, but I don't have enough devices here. Maybe I'll try to do that in the future. So if you could subscribe for that, I would be really grateful to you. So before starting the battle, let's see what they know about each other. Hey Google, what do you think about Samsung Bixby?
We haven't met yet, but I hear Bixby is a great listener.
Good answer though. Hi Bixby, what do you think about Google Assistant?
The name rings a bell, but I'm more of a Samsung fan to be honest.
Selfish fellow. Anyways, let's enter into the battle. Alright, I've prepared 25 questions for this voice assistant battle, and if a voice assistant gives a satisfactory answer for a question, it will get a point for that answer, and if it didn't, it won't get a point. First of all, let us start with a bit of a math and science. What is 1 divided by 0? What is the scientific name of tomato? What is 22 in binary? Who invented telescope? What is the chemical formula for acetic acid? Now let's move on to the device control commands. Turn Wi-Fi off. Turn on mobile hotspot. Lock the screen. Turn on flashlight. Set brightness to 20%. Go to home screen. Okay, now let me ask some miscellaneous questions. What's my name? What is the capital of Australia? What is the distance between London and Sydney? Who directed Star Wars? Who is the CEO of Microsoft? Send a WhatsApp message. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Play Rebellious Way on Spotify. Tell me a joke. Search for Exult Tech on YouTube. Tell me stock market news. How do you say hello in German? How do you spell optimistic? Turn off the phone. So that leaves us with the results. Google Assistant 22 out of 25 and Samsung's Bixby 19 out of 25. So this means that Google Assistant won the battle by 3 points. Even though Bixby lost the battle, it has a good amount of control over the device settings, while Google Assistant can't. So Google Assistant should improve a lot when it comes to device control, and Bixby should improve its general amount of intelligence and how it answers internet queries a lot. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then do consider hitting the subscribe button. And I've also made a full video about how to master your Google Assistant usage, and I'll leave the link here as well as in the description. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.